I quite don't know exactly where it decided to stop on yet, but this is the indoor greenhouse in its total completion. So it probably take about say no more than 15 to 20 minutes to assemble. So I guess assembling is the easy part and growing is the beneficiary part. So this is the indoor greenhouse, His Imperial Majesty's indoor greenhouse 12-1, and this is Noble Derrel, the national that's in charge of the operations of this greenhouse under the command of Honorable Noble Wali-Abdul-Salam, the district ambassador in the Anu al-Nabiru district. So that about sums up the assembly of it. Now it's time for us to get to work with it. Islam.